Molweni bhotani mawethu. Sanibonani Dumelang. Absheng. Ndiyanibulisa xa ninonke. Zidwesha nezidweshakazi. It's your mama Nonkwe yet back again. With yet another piece of wisdom. What do I want us to talk about today? Today, quickly, I'll get into the subject quickly. The topic of ize ibizwa kuthiwa iset labantu abasha. Yalazi iset labantu abasha. Makukhulunywa ngeset labantu abasha, sikhuluma ngentando, sikhuluma ngesibambelelo, sikhuluma isho bathi yini ingidi, ukhiye. Sikhuluma ngesiphephetho. Yabona? Umjolo wabantu abasha mangaliphethe lelo set angeke uzulibone lidlalayo. But on on a serious note, I want us to talk about these things I've just mentioned. Isibambelelo, intando, ingidi, thina sithi iqhaga ingidi. Banye bathi ukhiye. Sithetha ngesiphephetho. Why these things? Why do I feel the need to talk about these things? Siyayazi mos ba imithako lena, we understand. These are things used used by people who actually want to make sure that they keep their partner. We understand. Intando, as you would know, whether the person loves you or doesn't love you anymore, it doesn't matter. They will stay. They will love you by hook or by crook. Xabathele intando. Isibambelelo makes sure ukuthi umuntu ethande engathandi. Uyeva? We understand. Even when they think of packing their bags and leave you, Isibambelelo makes sure that those bags never leave the house. They will pack, but never leave you. Isibambelelo eso. Isiphephetho, when you want to make sure you have a boyfriend or you have a man or you have a husband who obviously has another lover, we understand, and you are tired of being the second option, having to fight for your man. You decide, you know what, might as well. And then inyanga easy peasy, masimphephethe, we understand. Simfakele isiphephetho, boom, hamba shiya le ndoda. And then you don't have to deal with umakhwapheni womuntu wakho. Ne? These things happen and ziyathakwa zithakeke. Don't think it's too far-fetched. It happens. I myself know how to mix. You understand? But depends. I don't mix for anyone. Mina umthetho wesigodlo sasekhaya. Thina silungiselela abantu abatshadileyo. I don't do such for unmarried couples. Sorry, it's too far a kitchen with 40 glass. Otherwise, anyway. So yeah, and also I want you to be mindful of something that I think a lot of you may not be aware of. Ne? Elibona laphupho, la mnqweno wakho. Uyabona la ndawo deep inzulu into ba umuntu wami bethunana enoveske nje athi baby ndiyabawela kodwa bona nje uyotya utsiki phaya ekhaya. Is that not every girl's dream? Andithethi ngaba bathi ndifune mtshato, asithethi ngani, siyanazi ni grand nina ni sharp, you understand. Bakhona abanye abantwana abawufunayo umtshato. You understand? Well, thina sesivela ke. So whether siyawufuna or not, again, ndakuxela ngenye imini ndinguthwa ndinguNtomfuthi, been there. You understand? Makadwenethwa yo engenadyasi, been there babes, ndibuya khona. Kuthiwa yintoni, nisibiza ntoni, nithi singama-return soldiers. Ya, ndivela khona empini. Anyway, but asithethi ngam ke ngoku, sithetha ngawe. Ithi into utsiki, make sithethe ngalo tsiki. Uyayazi uba utsiki ngokwakudala, in reality utsiki was prepared. It was just a way. Well, utsiki masithethe inyani, utsiki sisithethe ne sakwaXhosa, sisithethe okanye lisiko. Kodwa ke masithi lisiko okwangoku. We'll get into the debate yesithethe okanye isiko another time. But ke utsiki lela qatha lapisi uyityiswayo emzini. You understand? Uyaxhelelwa mos. You get there, utyiswe utsiki wakho. Kuthiwe waziswa kubantu abangasekhoyo, abantu baphantsi balapha, uze ke ngoku urecognize as a fully fleshed umfazi ngoba umtyile utsiki elaqatha ne. Do you know ukuthi back in the day, even today, some families, this is an opportunity. Ela xesha likatsiki, it's an opportunity ukuthi wena makoti uthakelwe, uthelwe dum for into obuzinze kweli khaya. You understand? Kuyathakwa impande ezithile, amakhuba athile azawudityaniswa kulo tsiki wakho. Uyeva? For into yoba iingcambu zakho zimisele apha, awuphinde uphume kulo mzi. Uyeva? Sisibambelelo. Ungalwa ushawutise ukhubone uyaphi uyakhona. Iibhegi zona zawuhlala zijike emnyango, asoze ziphume ngapha ya. Kwimizi ekungahlekwayo kuyo. Njengoba nina nicinga uba ungulayita, wena wathelwa ngutatazala wakho because uyambona lo wakho into yokuba kuthe kuye. Bangamxeleli futhi umyeni wakho uba bakuthele. You understand? Because kaloku nina nindwe bakuqala and want to vuvuzelela the husband first. You understand? But kanti by the time you think of it, in fact iyalala ingqondo. Once wathelwa kuqala awubisakwazi wena ukuthi, because kaloku phofu noba ungathi, uyeva, awuyindawo, awuyinowhere, uphelele apha. Uyeva, kufakwa iimpande ezithile ezi zifakwa kwisibambelelo. Yintoni isibambelelo? I think I've mentioned in one of my videos before le nto kuthiwa sisibambelelo. Xoleni guys, ndinayo nendlalana, ubona ngathi ndiyanqwamzwa ngoku le chocolate. Bamba umoya ebuhlungu, ndingafeyinti. Anyway, isibambelelo yimithi ethakiweyo ne. Ethakiweyo, wena mntu uthakelwayo, ndiyakunika into yoba uzuzisika, uzifake iintlanga endaweni ezithile apha kuwe emzimbeni, kugqongo nangaphantsi mhlawumbi private yakho. You understand? Nalapho livalweni uyifake kuwe lo mthi. Yeva, ungene kuwe umthi ngezantlanga ne, so that when your partner is intimate with you, when there's an exchange of liquid, sweats and all of that, umthi uyangena kuwe through the pores, obviously. You understand? That is why you'd find amazulu, Zulu men abekho lapha amazulu. Zulu men alapha. If uyinyatsi ngumakhwapheni, you will notice a Zulu man ngokuthi when they are intimate with you, it's never like skin to skin on the upper body. Maybe vest. Because babaleka Isibambelelo. They know. We understand. Bayayazi into enizenzayo. Isibambelelo seso ke sokuthi asifani no nentando, because sona asi engqondweni as such. We understand ba umuntu abe ngupopayi wakho remote controlayo. No, they are free to you know be who they are naturally. You understand? If ungumuntu othethela phezulu ahlale ethethela phezulu, if ungumuntu ocalm uzaba calm, but inqaba into ba xa ifuna uhamba akazikwazi uhamba. Sisibambelelo ke eso. Whereas intando affects psyche yomuntu. You understand? La nto ndithi mina kukufana nokuzenza uThixo wasemhlabeni, because now lo muntu lona akasakwazi ucingela as such ngeyakhe ingqondo. Uhleli nje ucingela xa ecinga ucingelana nawe. You understand? Too affectionate, and you know, unreasonably so. You understand? To a point yokuthi anger yabo becomes too much. Like you can't leave that person. Hence we see so much gender-based violence these days, because bathakelwe bafakele intando, so they love this person too much. You understand? Any kind of disappointment they can't withstand. You understand? And as such, this affection goes with a lot of anger. You understand? Too much affection. If the affection is not met, you understand, by your affection, then that, you know, brings about anger, we understand, into them, because I can understand ukuthi I love you so much. Why undenza lento undenza yona? Then siduma apho ke ngoku ufumanise into yoba hey kwamakhelwane kubethwa nokokoko, kanti intando is dangerous, guys. Honestly, dangerous. Ne Isiphephetho bese ndisichazile. Ingidi ukhiye okanye ingidi okanye iqhaga ngumthi ofakwayo othakwayo, ne umuntu uthakela ipartner yakhe intoba should uba ulale nomnye umuntu, you can't. It's either there are, you know, there's a few things like there a few things that might happen. One, your partner, if umfakele ingidi, when they are with another person, you understand, and they're trying to be intimate with another person, aizupakam, you understand, they don't get aroused, basically. Two, it also would see when they're being affectionate with another person, trying to be intimate, with another person, they lose interest even before going or doing the act. Ne? The most dangerous is Zuguti when they now really are intimate and they do have sex with that person. You know, the two will be locked together. You understand? We've seen a lot of people have been caught with their pants down because, you know, they had sex with the wrong person, and they can't, you know, they can't separate. You understand? Abakwazi kuhlukana ayiphumi, basically. Ayiphumi pha andiyazi kuba ndizawuthini. Ipena ayiphumi emnqonyeni. Idinga ugqirha ngoku idinga inyangi. You understand? People will be taken to the emergency room because ufakelwe ukhiye. Those are things zizinto ezenzekayo. Inyangi are able to do such, to cause such. You understand? So what I'm trying to say is these are things that are out there. So I want you to think carefully before you have an extramarital affair, or before you have an affair, you have a relationship, you are committed to a person, and then your eye decides to be roving, and you understand, you find yourself cheating with another person. These are the things that might happen to you. You understand? Ufakela ukhiye, ufakela isiphephetho, ufakela Intando. You find yourself loving someone you never, you have no intention. You understand? Who's not suitable for you. And and as a result, you now don't have a chance to to decide whether you love this person or not. Sebekugalelele, you understand? You decide to marry them, and go wrong, or because you never intended for this person to be your what you call your ultimate partner, but because bakucabangele kuqala, you end up doing, you understand? We've seen Ovathiswa being promised umtshato. Vatiswa helping her partner to save. You understand? Partner will be like, baby, kaloku besitshilo nje ngoba kufuneka sibophe ibhanti. So we're not going out. No, we're not going to the Cape Town Jazz Festival because kaloku sibophe ibhanti for uba mina manikwazi uya kokwenu ngoSeptember. You understand? Uvatiswa naye hayi shem uyancedisa ukubone because kaloku ufuna kiwe kokwabo phi. Umavathu ulindile. Bekiwe idate, xelile kokwabo. Athelwe thwe vavavum. Athi akasathethe loo nto ngoku, athathe laa mali ebeyibophela ibhanti nomavathi ayise phi, ayise kulo Namhla, because uNamhla umthele. And what you don't understand is that wena Namhla, you have now uzenza uThixo wasemhlabeni. You understand? Because ideally your husband should be spiritually chosen by your spiritual guides. When two people love each other, you understand, and usually the decision to marry each other, it is your spiritual guides that have chosen, which, you know what, might as well get married. You understand? Spiritually you connect, you understand, and you may not be aware, you understand, because spiritually your spiritual guides will cause you to arrive to that decision of getting married. We understand? And those are solid marriages because the foundation is right. But where now you force a person to make that decision and you are not the chosen one, do you think it was like a no? One day uzophendula, kuzobuya ngawo. You understand? And then the whole thing will be undone because you are not the soulmate for that person. I hope I'm making sense. Yeah, that's it for now. That was it. That's the topic I had in my mind. Which let me share this with you. Ne? So your comments, I do enjoy your comments. We can debate the subject further. Please continue sharing the videos. Share on WhatsApp, share on Facebook. I want to trend. I look nam guys. But so far so good. Thank you very much, guys, for the support. The channel is growing slowly but surely. But I am very pleased with the growth, and I am humbled by your support, guys. You are supporting me, even outside the channel. I'm getting a lot of you wanting to consult, going further. A lot of you have come to my home for consultation because you met me through my channel. So I am deeply and I'm humbled. I am nothing without you guys. This channel will not go anywhere without you, without your support. So thank you very much. That's it for now. Talk to you again later. Ciao.